Hi friends, good morning. This is Shrikant. Today I will explain now DAX function. Returns the current date and time in a date format for your time zone, in which scenarios mostly used now whenever you are making changes in projects or display time while modify any changes in reports. Okay, let's we start now function. Next, click new measure. Okay, type here now. Okay, and to select now. Once you read this one, returns the current date and time in a date format. So now when I enter this now, see this measures to. Next, click on curve and next select this one. See this now showing data current date and time. See this one is name, sorry, this one is month and day and year. Next, hours, minutes, seconds. Okay, let's check this options. Next, go to and home here, click here. See this, it's automatically changed current format. Okay, thank you friends. Please subscribe our channel Lakshmi Skills.